Good morning, students. Today we are learning with the new topic, that is approximation. Now, today first we start with the rounding a number to the nearest 10. So for that we have 3 steps. Let's discuss the 3 steps. Step 1. Look at ones digit of the given number. Step 2. If ones digit is less than 5, replace ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Step 3. If ones digit is 5 or more, increase 10th digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. I am recalling these 3 steps again. First is look at the ones digit of the given number. Second step is if the ones digit is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and rest digits as they are. Third step is if ones digit is 5 or more, increase the 10th digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Let's do one example. For example, let's take a number 74. Okay, now you have to look the number at ones place. So now we know that its ones digit is what? 4, which is less than 5. So we have to check up the step 2. Now see, if the ones digit is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0. That means the 4 will become 0 and keep the other digits as they are. That means that 7 will become as it is. So therefore, rounded number to the nearest 10 70. Are you getting it? Let's do one more example. Let's take 4 digit numbers. The number let's take is 6547. Okay. The first step is you have to look at the ones digit. Okay. Now the ones digit over here is 7. It doesn't matter the number is 3 digit number or 2 digit number. We have to just go through with the first, and we have to check only the ones digit when we are rounding off nearest tens. So the number over here is, we'll write its ones digit is 7, which is more than 5. So whenever it's more than 5, we have to look the step 3. If the ones digit is 5 or more, increase the 10th digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. That means a number at my 10th place, we need to add a 1 in that, and the number at the ones place will become 0. So a rounded number to the nearest 10 . So rest number is 6, 5 will be as it is. Only add up 1 in my 10th, that before will become 5 and last number will become 0. Any doubt? Let's do few sums concerned with that. We are doing with the starting with the exercise. The question we have is round each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. Let's start the first one. We have 54. So we have to check the ones place. Its ones digit is 4, which is less than 5. So if it's less than 5, then what we have to do? We have to just check my second step. That is, we have to just turn the ones place digit to 0 and 10th place will be as it is. Rest number will be as it is. So therefore, a rounded number to the nearest 10, where it becomes 50. Let's try one more. The number we have 327. Check its ones place. Ones digit is 7, which is more than 5. So now check up the third step. What was that? If my number at ones place is more than 5, then we have to add a 1 in my 10th place. So, which means a rounded number to the nearest 10. Okay, so first number will be as it is. That's my 100th place. At my 10th place, the number is 2. So we have to add a 1 in that. That will become 3. And the ones place number will become 0. I hope you are understanding. Let's do one more. We have 2,793. Let's do its ones digit is 3, which is less than 5. So when we know the number less than 5, so only that particular number, the number at ones place will become 0 and rest number will be as it is. So a rounded number to the nearest 10. So it will be as 2, 7, 9, 0. Okay. Just keep in mind one thing clear, that when you are doing the rounding of nearest 10, so you have to check only the digit at my ones place. That always be my first rule in the rounding of nearest 10. Okay. So if the number at ones place is 5 or more than 5, so you have to add a 1 in my 10th place and the ones place number will become 0. Okay. But if the number at my ones place is less than 5, so that particular number will become 0 and rest will be as it is. That's the only rule it's going on. We have 8049. Okay, let's do this then. Its ones digit is 9, which is more than 5. Okay, so if it's more than, what we do? We have to add a 1 in my 10th place and the ones place number will become 0. So rounded number to the nearest 8050. Let's try one more over here. And we have 12,345. So let's check its ones place as it is 5. It's 5 or more than 5. So what we do? If it's 5 or more than 5, then we need to add up, na? So it is equal to 5. Then rounded number to the nearest 10 12,350. I hope you are understanding this. Okay. Next class we will start learning with the rounding of nearest hundreds. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.